Hello everybody, it has been a very long time since I ever made a video. I'm actually not in Victoria anymore. I have since moved, and because of that I got myself a air fryer toaster oven. It's a Hamilton Beach air fryer. It comes with plenty of accessories. Since my rental unit does not have an oven, or it does but it does not work, so I have to buy one myself. I got this at a really super deal. I spent about $80 for it, which is very good deal for an air fryer oven. So here it is. It comes with a metal wash basket, a bake pan, and then a rack, as well as a side-out crumb tray. Everything you need. And of course it shows you some of the tips on air frying. Without further ado, let's get unboxing. Oh, it also comes with a 5-year warranty, which is a fantastic deal. So let's go ahead and get this out. See if I can do this while holding a 2-pound camera. Okay, I'm actually gonna, it's quite a bit of a mess, so I'm actually gonna get it out and show you what it looks like in just a sec for you guys. Alright, I got the oven finally fully unpacked. Let's take a look at the contents. So we do have we do have this rack, the the air rack, as well as this one, and of course the underside protection rack, as well as the solid one. Yep, it is indeed an air fryer. Let's take a look. It is a rather small oven, despite having a bigger packaging. You can control the temperature from 200 to 450 degrees. It also has a toast, air fry, and broil option, as well as a single toast function, which you get a full toast or half toast. Or of course it's also a timer as well, and here's an LED indicator. And inside you get 2 heating elements, as well as a fan that will act as the air fryer element. So let's go ahead and test it out. I have some cookies to bake, so let's see how well it works. One thing I don't like is that there's the cord is rather short, so I have to place it right next to an outlet because I don't have an extension cord yet. So yeah, let's do it. Okay, now it's time to turn it on for the first time, and for my bake I'm going to set it to 350 degrees, that's what it asks. And then we're going to select this to bake, and it should turn on. Or actually you're supposed to use this. Let's set it to 20 minutes, and now it's on, as indicated by the light. And we're going to wait until it finishes heating, and then I'm going to show you my baking results. Alright, I got my cookies all cut, and we're going to put it in, and I'm pretty sure it's preheated now. And it asks, and my recipe asks for about 15 minutes, so let's do it actually a little bit more. Let's put it in. So just letting you know, the glass is actually very hot, even though there's no warning labels on it. So it's just one of those things that you gotta be, because it's cheaply made after all. Let's put it in. I mean, it's a lot more energy efficient than your big conventional oven that's under the stove too. This is a huge bonus. So, because you got a lot less space to heat up, especially this oven that's already portable by nature. And we'll wait 15 minutes and see how it looks. Alright, so it's been 15 minutes, the cookies are done, and it looks pretty good, even though it did extend a little bit. It is a small oven, and I did try to fit all the cookies I made in it, and it's working pretty good. I already had a taste of one small cookie, and it's pretty good, so pretty desirable. So then that's pretty much it for this video. This is the Hamilton Beach air frying oven, and I'm pretty satisfied with it considering its low price and portability and versatility with all the features. And that's about it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell.